Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again on the show, Nature Time with Jenny. Today on the show we're going to be talking about survival skills. These are the kind of skills you're going to want to know if you're going to be out messing around in the nature. We got a lot to cover today, so let's get a roll on. To make a fire, it's easy. Just take some sticks and some paper and you got a recipe for fire. To make a fire, just take 2 sticks, rub them together, and bam! Watch it fire up. Well, not every stick does the trick. It's always good to carry a fire maker with you, just in case of times like this. Wow, look at that. Now that's a fire. To survive in nature, you gotta eat nature. But you cannot eat everything. You gotta be careful. Here's a list of foods you cannot eat in nature. Poisonous mushrooms, poisonous berries, poison, hard rocks. So then, what can I eat? Good question. There's lots of things you can eat in nature. Best things to eat are plants. My favorite plant to eat in nature is grass. Grass is completely 100% edible, but you gotta be careful. Not all grass is edible. Gotta make sure the grass is green or else you're asking for trouble. Just remember, if the grass is green, lick it clean. Now let's eat this grass. Gross. Gross. Oh. Tastes like dirt. One of the most important skills you're going to need to survive in nature is you got to know how to mark your territory. This is important because it keeps other animals from coming into your space, peeing on your things, trying to eat you, and other things. Best way to mark your territory is to pee on it. Sometimes it's easy to pee, but sometimes it's not that easy, which is why I always carry with me a bottle of pee, just in case for times like these. Being prepared is
Jenny! What are you doing?
Nothing.
Jenny, what is that?
No, I don't know.
Okay, because you said you were going on lunch break about 3 hours ago, and we got that meeting here in 5 minutes.
Oh,
You
yeah.
You coming, right?
Yeah,
You're coming
yeah.
to that because I kind of need you there.
Okay.
All right, 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And what's up with the cameras?
Oh, I don't know. I've never seen them before in my life.
5 minutes, Jenny. 5 minutes.
I gotta go.